part 1 of the sleepover. Sleepover. I'm still alive, if you want to know, because
You're still alive.
you don't even have a YouTube account.
I don't
But
care.
you do have.
What the heck do I have?
Come over to the camera.
What do I have? Okay.
Go up to the camera.
What do I have?
Put your head up to the camera.
Okay, I have a face.
No. Put your teeth up to the camera.
I have braces. I'm not good at that.
I don't. See? Now look at hers.
I'm not good at this.
You didn't even see it. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Okay, go.
Yep.
Okay.
She has braces, and I'm older than her. Oh, you did it!
I have a shirt. I have a book.
Oh, crap! I have 2 pillows.
I've got a shirt, a pillow, and a book. How about that?
I got it.
I think I win.
I got
You got a dog.
a dog pen.
Yeah, you got a dog. I got a shirt and a book. I got a pillow, a shirt, and a book. You're crazy.
Yeah.
No, that was a pillow.
Now don't hit me with the book. No!
That's a shirt.
Ow! Got me right in the face.
Oh my god.
Okay. Right there. Okay, so we'd be doing some.
Okay, that was just for fun. Without killing me. Without killing me. Without killing me.
Okay, while I kill her, you guys watch this. Get off of me!
I decided to
You
kill
guys
you
watch
first.
this very interesting video of 2 girls fighting because they're idiots.
If the one was and the one was bad. Well, the other one reads Twilight. Well, the other one reads Twilight.
My
She's
eye
born.
acts like a dog.
Ruff, ruff. Brittany. You're wearing
Mom,
ponytail.
What are you gooses doing?
we're making a video. Okay, bye.
Ponytail.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you showing
Show
them
me
your
your
ponytail?
ponytail.
Oh my god! My pony sucks! They have ponies on them. Wait. Smell your screen right now. Smell them. Smell your screen. I'm pretty sure. Again! Again.
Away.
Not me.
There it is! It was. Go
Oh, my
back.
baby
Go back. Go back.
purple blob.
Ready? It's my mom. Go right over there. Go right there. Wait, it blocks the camera before. Smell your screen.
Alright, kiss me, I'm going.
Okay, bye-bye.
Love you.
Let me just smell
Bye,
your
Nicole.
screen. Bye. I'll text you later. See it? The pony. Bye-bye, Pete.